Right now, someone in Denver is searching for an auto repair shop. They found yours. They found your competitor. Your competitor has 340 reviews and a 4.8 star average. You have 41 reviews and a 4.3. They didn't read a single review. They just looked at the numbers and called your competitor. That decision took 8 seconds, and it happens to your shop multiple times every single day. The standard advice is to just ask customers for reviews more often. Put it on the receipt. Train the service advisors to mention it at pickup. Send a follow-up email. Here's why that doesn't work at scale. Service advisors forget. They're busy writing estimates and handling complaints and answering phones. Asking for a review is the last thing on their mind when a customer picks up their car. And the follow-up email? It goes out a week later when the customer has completely forgotten how good the experience was. Timing is everything with review requests. Manual processes get the timing wrong almost every time. Here's what the right timing looks like. Automated. Customer picks up their vehicle. Job is marked complete in your system. Within 2 hours, while the experience is still fresh and the satisfaction is still high, an automated text goes out. Hey name, glad we could get your truck back on the road today. If you're happy with the work, a quick Google review helps our Denver shop more than you know. One tap, direct link. 2 hours later, if no response, a gentle follow-up. Different message, same link. That sequence runs after every single completed job automatically, without your service advisor saying a word. At 15 jobs a day, a 30% response rate generates 4 to 5 new reviews daily. That's 120 to 150 new reviews per month. In 90 days, you pass your competitor's count. In 6 months, you own the top spot in Denver auto repair searches. Your competitor's review count isn't luck, it's a system, and a system can be built and beaten. We install AI-powered review generation for Denver auto shops and trade businesses. The setup takes less than a week. Click the link below, let's close the gap, and then pass them.